Good morning, State Line. Thanks for joining us here on the First Warn Weather Roller Coaster. It's been a roller coaster ride of temperatures for the last few weeks, and guess what? It's going to continue. You better hold on, pull those lap bars tight, keep your hands and arms inside the car at all times. Yesterday we saw temperatures topping out in the low 80s. Again today, we're going to top out in the low 80s. Now, the first thing we learned in broadcast journalism classes are to never turn your back to the camera. But I got to ride the roller coaster. You going to ride it with me? Here we go. We're going to hold steady today in the low 80s. It's going to feel even warmer. But then the next few days, whoa, we're going to go down. Holy cow, we're going to go all the way down into the upper 40s and low 50s. We're going to bottom out by the end of the work week. Low temperatures down into the mid and a few low 30s with highs in the upper 40s and low 50s. Definitely a cool end to the work week. So we're going to be in the low 80s today, falling all the way through. Our average should be in the mid 60s. Our weather headlines, what we're tracking for you. We're looking at a flash flood watch in effect for portions of the viewing areas going into effect tonight through tomorrow afternoon for, yes, more rain in the forecast. But there are some dry days coming up. Another warm and humid one today. Dew points already into the 60s. So as you head out the door, you definitely can feel the stickiness in the air. Late week, we are looking at that cool down, and we could be talking about a potential frost and freeze as we get into Thursday and Friday evenings. Mainly clear skies throughout much of the area, just a few passing clouds. Otherwise, abundant sunshine to start off the day. Clouds will increase throughout the day. We're starting off in the mid and upper 60s, 67 right now in Rockford. Southerly wind at 10 miles an hour. That wind will also be breezy throughout the day. Starting off in Janesville at 70, 67 in Rockford, 68 in Freeport, and 67 in Monroe. We'll warm it up into the low 80s yet again, well above average for this time of the year. Dew points in the mid and upper 60s. We'll keep them there throughout the day today. That's a measure of how much moisture is in the atmosphere, so it's definitely going to be a muggy afternoon, already quite sticky as you walk out the door. A few passing clouds throughout the viewing area this morning. Partly cloudy to start off today, but a system off to our north and west that'll be slowly making its way in. Increasing clouds throughout the afternoon hours, and then we will see the chance for an isolated shower, rumble of thunder before tonight, better chance, and then going into tomorrow, widespread showers and storms. Because of the rain expected tonight and into the day tomorrow, these counties here are shaded in the dark green under the flash flood watch tonight through tomorrow afternoon. Flood warning still out for the Pecatonica and the Rock rivers as well. Keep an eye on river levels. Already seen quite a bit of flooding. Much of the area is seeing river levels at moderate flood stage. Major flood stage, though, for the Pecatonica at Sherlin, and we're going to continue to see more rain over the next few days, so they're not going to go down anytime soon. Later this week, that's when they'll start to head downward. We are looking at the flooding situation for the Gulf Coast, tracking Hurricane Michael as it makes its way towards the Gulf Coast, where hurricane warnings as well as tropical storm warnings in effect. But as we take a closer inspection here on our infrared satellite, you can see an eye starting to form there. It is strengthening, and you can see that here on our track. Going to strengthen to a Category 3 storm just before landfall, somewhere in between Panama City and Apalachicola, and it'll make landfall tomorrow afternoon with winds 120 miles an hour. But because that front sliding through our neck of the woods, it'll help keep it pushed out to sea and over the Carolinas, where they definitely don't need any more rain. Futurecast for us, partly to mainly cloudy skies early, then increasing clouds, isolated shower late this afternoon and into the evening hours, and then going overnight tonight, mainly cloudy skies with, especially after midnight, some showers and storms making their way into the area. That'll be the story throughout your Wednesday. Showers and storms likely, and then clearing conditions going into your Thursday. Yes, some dry weather finally reappearing. We are under a marginal to slight risk for some stronger storms tonight and into the day tomorrow as we go into the overnight hours for some gusty winds and heavy rain. 81 today, increasing clouds, partly cloudy throughout the day, otherwise mainly cloudy this afternoon with the chance for an isolated shower late in the day. Better chance overnight. Winds will be breezy out there, but picking up overnight tonight. Out of the south, 10 to 15, mostly cloudy and mild, 66 degrees. Showers and storms likely, especially after midnight. Then tomorrow, becoming more widespread, likely throughout the day as we start to see temperatures drop. 74 tomorrow, windy with gusts near 30 miles an hour. Hold on to those hats not only tomorrow, but into your Thursday. You'll see that here on the 7-day forecast. Some sunshine in the forecast. I've been promising it, and there it is. A dry day Thursday and into Friday, with temperatures plummeting into the upper 40s by Friday. And then we start to bring in the chance for some more rain late in the day Saturday and into your Sunday. But temperatures holding steady below average throughout the end of the work week with lows Jay, down into the mid-30s. Frost-free is definitely possible.
Got to look out for that. Got to get your jackets out.
That's for sure, and plants inside.
All right, thanks, Ryan.